Before we begin, I just want to thank Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. For those of you that live under a rock and don't already know, Skillshare is an online learning platform with over 26,000 classes covering everything from photography and graphic design to marketing and management skills. So whether you're feeding your curiosity on how Brandon Wolfel shoots, edits, and shares his amazing pictures, or you want to learn how to better your presentation skills for school or work, Skillshare is the perfect place that keeps you learning and thriving in your personal and professional life. A course that piqued my attention was by Dale on how to take pro photos on your iPhone. As you guys know, my channel is heavily focused on Instagram and, more importantly, Instagram stories. And a big part of that are the images. Now, I use royalty-free sites for my pictures, but I eventually want to start taking my own photos just to have everything be a bit more cohesive. Premium membership gives you unlimited access to the entire Skillshare catalog, and at only $10 a month, it is incredibly affordable for the wealth of knowledge that is found on this platform. And because Skillshare is sponsoring this video, you can sign up with the link in my description and get a 2-month free trial and see for yourself how you like this community.
Sunday morning, waking up with you. We got no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane, white hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. Wednesday night, just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night, it's easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane, white hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. Like a drive in the sun, windows down, music on. We've got nothing but time. Feel the breeze in my head, baby, we be cruising. Oh, na na na, na na na, na na na, na na na. Sunshine mixed with a little hurricane, white hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. Yeah, you know all the ways I like it. Yeah, you know how I like it, baby. Got me tangled all up in these sheets. Yeah, holding you, holding me, easy love. Yeah, you and me, yeah. Got me tangled up all in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy